Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Okay, do you study?
Yes, I study.
Oh, okay. How many hours do you study?
I study 5 hours in a day.
Okay, does your brother study?
Yes, he studies. And what about you? Does your brother study?
Yes, he is studying.
Okay.
Okay, what does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Okay, and father?
My father is a carpenter.
Okay.
What does your brother do?
My brother study. Um, which school your brother study? In which school your brother study?
He studies in Mother Mary School.
Okay. How many hours does your brother study?
He studies only 1 hour.
Okay. Does your brother watch cartoon?
Yes, he watches cartoon.
Okay. And you watch his cartoon?
No, I do not watch cartoon.
Why?
Just like that.
Okay. Do your sister and your brother watch cartoon?
Yes, they watch cartoon.
And your mother?
No, she does not watch
Why
cartoon
why she does not watch cartoon?
because she does not like it.
And what does your grandfather do?
He's a carpenter.
Okay. So your grandfather like carpenter work.
Yes, he likes it. What does your father do?
My father is Christian. Yes. And your mother helping in your study.
No, she does not help my study.
Why?
Just like that.
Okay. And you help studying your sister.
Yes, I help to which she said study with my sister.
Okay. Yeah. Do you watch TV?
No, I do not watch TV.
Why?
Just like that.
Okay. And do you use mobile?
Yes, I use mobile
Why?
because I need to study.
Okay. Which mobile do you use?
I use Samsung mobile.
Okay. Do you use social media apps?
No, I do not use social media.
Really?
Yes,
Okay. Tell me what the profit you use social media app. Can you
I don't
explain?
know. I don't watch social media. How many hours does your brother study in a day?
We study 6 hours in a day.
In which college does he study?
We study Janis Thanak inter college. Oh, sorry, degree college. And your sister, which school study? In which school study?
He studies Saraswati Shiksha Niketan school.
This is great school.
Yes, he's
This is great school.
yes, it is great school.
Mm. Your sister help in your domestic work.
No, she does not help
Why?
because she is very younger.
Mm. And your brother?
No, he does not help.
Okay. Your father and mother go to temple daily.
My father goes to temple daily, but my mother does not.
Why she does not go to temple?
I don't know.
And your grandmother goes to temple
Yes,
daily.
he goes to temple daily.
Okay. And you?
No, I do not go to
Why?
temple daily. Just like that.
Okay. Which stream have you passed in your class 12?
I have passed 12th by PCM.
Okay. PCM. Do you like PCM?
Yes, I like it.
Which subject do you like most?
I like mathematics.
Okay. Both the teacher, which teacher in your favorite? Who's your favorite
My
teacher?
favorite teacher is Manoj sir.
No. Okay.
Which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject history and political.
Okay. How many hours do you study?
I study 8 to 9 hours daily. Okay. What do you want to be?
I want to be government bank manager.
What are you doing to become a government
I
employee?
am learning spoken English and doing self-study by
Okay,
YouTube.
how many hours do you study?
I study 5 hours.
Uh, it is enough for your study?
Yes, nowadays it is enough for me.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Same to you.